Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see time telling, or in today's video we'll see offiziell side. So on my channel there is a video called how to read a clock, but that is unofficial time or inofficial side. Now this is official side, meaning official time. You will wonder what is this official and unofficial or unofficial time. So what is the difference in that, and where do we use it? All this we'll see in today's video, and at the end of the video I will give you one small exercise, or it is called as Übung in German. To solve you can tell the time and you will understand more properly. So we'll start with the video. Now, this official side or official time, where do we use this time, or how to tell the time in uh, official side? So that we are going to see. Now, on the airport or train station, or even on the radio, you will hear or you will get to know this official side. So the main difference between inofficial side and official side is in official side we have to follow 12-hour clock, right? And in day-to-day life, usually we use unofficial or inofficial side. But formally, you can say this is official time or official side, and here we have to follow 24-hour clock. So that is the main difference between official side and inofficial side. So, first we'll see few words related to time or clock, and then we'll see how to tell the time. Now, first one is Uhr. Uhr meaning o'clock. Suppose we have to say it is 1 o'clock. So in German, we'll say es ist 1 Uhr, not eins. That I have explained in that other video also, how to read a clock. So you can go through it. Then four, VOR, four is before. Nach, NACH, nach is after or past. Then halb is half, HALB, half, very much similar to English. And then is at, and Zeit is time. So these are the few words related to time or clock. Now suppose we'll see some time related phrases, you can say. So we'll start with a week, right? So week is called as Woche. In German, it is called as Woche, WOCHE. Woche. Woche is week. Ein Woche is 7 Tage. Tag is day and Tage days. So it is like in 1 week there are 7 days. Then Tag is day, you know this. Now in 1 day there are 24 hours. So how will you say in German? Ein Tag is equal to 24 Stunden. Stunden meaning hours. Stunde is hour and plural of Stunde is Stunden. So that is hours. So in 1 day there are 24 hours. Then we'll see in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So it will be Eine Stunde ist 60 Minuten. Okay. Minute is singular minute and Minuten is plural minutes. So it is eine Stunde ist 60 Minuten. Then 1 minute is 60 seconds. So it will be eine Minute ist 60 Sekunden. Okay. Sekunden meaning seconds. So these are the few time related phrases, you can say. So you must know these phrases to tell the time or to understand time, right? And one more thing, for this how to read a clock and time telling, you should know basic German numbers. This is the major requirement, you can say. Okay, so on my channel there is a video called German numbers and their pronunciations. So you can go through it. So this is the major requirement. Otherwise, you will not understand how to tell the time or how to read a clock. So you should know basic German numbers. Okay, this is the major requirement. Okay, now suppose there is a question called Wie viel Uhr ist es? Or Wie spät ist es? So these are the different ways of asking the time, but meaning is same. If you take the English meaning, it will be what is the time. Okay. Only thing is, these are the different, you can say, ways of asking time. Right? We feel where is test. What is the time? Or we spät ist es. Same thing. The ways are different. Okay. So now, suppose there is the clock shows 1 o'clock. Okay. If you say 1 a.m., right, in English, so it will be in German, it will be es ist, meaning it is, 1 Uhr. It is simple. Okay, 1 a.m. 1 Uhr. Then for 2 a.m., it will be es ist 2 Uhr. Right? And so on. 3 Uhr, 4 Uhr, 5 Uhr, 6 Uhr, 7 Uhr, 8 Uhr. It goes on like that till 12 o'clock. Okay? 12, it will be assist 12, right? Then it will change. After 12, it will be, suppose it is 1 p.m. Okay? The clock shows 1 p.m. But in German, offizielle Zeit, you will say, es ist 13 Uhr. Okay? 13 meaning 13. Or suppose it is 2 p.m. Offizielle Zeit, you will say es ist 14 Uhr. 14 is 14. Okay, because what we are doing here, we are following 24-hour clock. Offizielle Zeit. In offizielle Zeit, it will change after 12 because we are following 12-hour clock there. Okay, so this is the major difference, right? So suppose it is 1 p.m. 15 minutes. Okay. So how will you say if you want to tell the offizielle Zeit? It will be es ist 13 Uhr 15 Minuten. Okay. Meaning 1 p.m. 15 minutes. So it will go like this because we have to follow 24-hour clock. Right? So you understand this because in offizielle Zeit, we are following 12-hour clock. And this is the major difference. Otherwise, till 12, it is same. Okay. So now I will write one, you can say time here. And you have to tell this time offizielle Zeit. Okay. So this is one exercise for you. So you can write it in the comment box or you can answer by yourself. So this is all about offizielle Zeit. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.